Did you ever want to buy a luxury watch, but the ridiculous prices held you back from actually buying one? That's exactly the problem we were facing with all these luxury watch brands. We are bringing you a luxury watch at a down-to-earth price. This is how we did it. We asked ourselves, does a luxury watch really have to be expensive? We have been cutting out all the hidden fees you normally pay. Think of branding costs, distributors, retail stores, and wholesalers. All our watches are going directly to the end customer. We proudly present our new watch brand, Valuchi. A brand inspired by the two greatest cities of Europe, Amsterdam and Milan. We combined the beautiful architecture of both cities into our collection. Plenty of designs and countless samples later, we came up with a perpetual calendar series. A watch series that's guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go. We are a small, diverse team of creative millennials on a mission to revolutionize the watch industry. Luxurious watches at down-to-earth prices. Only the best hand-picked Italian leather is used for our leather straps and travel cases. By backing one of our watches, you'll be joining our revolution to make luxury accessible. We hope to see you on the other side.